What's the first thing you should do when facing a sexual offense charge? The steps you take in the hours and days after an accusation could mean the difference between a favorable outcome and severe consequences. Whether you're innocent or caught up in a misunderstanding, the decisions made now will shape your future. In today's video, we're diving into crucial tips from a criminal defense attorney on what actions you must take immediately if you've been charged. Stay tuned as we break down these vital steps that can help protect your rights and your future. Seek immediate legal representation. The first and most important thing you must do when facing any criminal charge is hire an experienced criminal defense attorney. Sexual offense cases are complex and often involve intense legal scrutiny. A skilled attorney will help you navigate the legal system, explain your rights, and develop a tailored defense strategy. They can ensure that you don't inadvertently harm your case through missteps or lack of understanding. When you're charged with something as serious as a sexual offense, the stakes are incredibly high. Having an attorney on your side from the very beginning gives you the best chance to protect your future and your freedom. Do not speak to anyone without your attorney present. One of the most critical mistakes individuals make when charged with a sexual offense is speaking to anyone about the case without legal representation. It's crucial to understand that anything you say can be used against you in court. Police, investigators, or even well-meaning friends may inadvertently twist your words or misinterpret them. Your defense attorney's role is to handle all communication on your behalf, ensuring that no information is leaked that could harm your case. By staying silent and allowing your attorney to guide the conversation, you protect yourself from making statements that could potentially incriminate you. Avoid discussing the case on social media. In the digital age, a seemingly innocent social media post can come back to haunt you. It's important to avoid discussing your case online in any capacity. This includes Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even private messaging. Social media platforms can be monitored by both the prosecution and defense, and any statement you make could be used as evidence. Even casual comments or emotional outbursts can be taken out of context and may hurt your credibility in court. I get it. You want to tell your side of the story. This is natural. However, as tempting as it may be to vent or seek support from friends, it's critical to keep your case offline to avoid damaging your legal position. Document everything. When you're facing serious charges like a sexual offense, memory alone may not be enough to protect you. One of the most beneficial steps you can take is to document everything related to the incident in question. Write down details like the time, place, people involved, and any events leading up to the accusation. Your memories may fade over time, so it's crucial to capture your version of events as clearly and thoroughly as possible. Keep a private record of any communication with witnesses or authorities. This documentation will serve as invaluable evidence to support your case and strengthen your defense strategy when it's time to go to court. Understand your rights. Knowledge is power when you're facing criminal charges. It's essential to understand your constitutional rights, especially the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. These rights are in place to protect you from self-incrimination and to ensure a fair trial. When charged with a sexual offense, your attorney will help you navigate these rights effectively, ensuring you never waive them inadvertently. For example, if you're asked to give a statement or answer questions without your attorney present, your legal counsel can advise you on when to remain silent. Being informed helps prevent mistakes that could otherwise jeopardize your defense. Prepare for the investigation. Once charged, law enforcement will likely conduct a thorough investigation. It's critical to remember that the investigation process is not in your favor. It's meant to gather evidence that may be used against you. While it may be tempting to cooperate fully with the authorities, it's crucial to allow your attorney to manage this process. Your lawyer will guide you on what to say, ensuring you don't accidentally disclose information that could harm your case. By allowing your attorney to handle the investigation on your behalf, you minimize the risk of making self-incriminating statements that could derail your defense. Review evidence thoroughly. Evidence is the foundation of any criminal case, and it's essential to review it in detail. When facing sexual offense charges, your attorney will examine every piece of evidence presented by the prosecution, as well as any evidence that supports your defense. This may include witness statements, physical evidence, and even digital data. Your attorney will work tirelessly to identify any inconsistencies or weaknesses in the prosecution's case. The more familiar you are with the evidence, the better prepared you will be for court. Understanding the strengths and weaknesses of both sides allows you and your attorney to create a more effective defense strategy. Avoid retaliation or contacting the alleged victim. When accused of a sexual offense, emotions can run high, and it may be tempting to contact the alleged victim or retaliate in some way. However, this is a huge mistake that can only harm your case. Any attempt to contact the alleged victim, whether directly or through a third party, can be construed as harassment or intimidation, leading to additional charges. Retaliation can also negatively impact how the court views you. It's important to let your attorney handle all interactions with the alleged victim's legal team. Staying calm and letting your lawyer manage communication keeps you on the right track legally. Don't try to handle it alone. Facing charges of a sexual offense is not something you can navigate on your own. The criminal justice system is incredibly complex, and self-representation could lead to disastrous results. An experienced criminal defense attorney specializes in defending individuals accused of serious crimes and understands the nuances of these cases. Your lawyer will be able to identify potential weaknesses in the prosecution's case, negotiate with the authorities, and represent you in court with the skill and knowledge necessary to protect your rights. Trying to handle your case without legal assistance is a risky move that can severely jeopardize your future. Be cautious in choosing your defense strategy. Your defense strategy is one of the most critical aspects of your case. When charged with a sexual offense, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Your attorney will help craft a defense strategy based on the specific facts of your case, the evidence available, and the legal circumstances surrounding the charges. Whether it's presenting an alibi, challenging the credibility of the evidence, or pointing to a lack of consent, your lawyer will carefully consider all options. A well-thought-out defense strategy gives you the best chance of achieving a favorable outcome, and it's essential to trust your attorney's judgment in this critical phase. Understand the consequences. It's essential to fully understand the consequences of being charged with a sexual offense. The potential penalties for these charges are severe, ranging from lengthy prison sentences to significant fines and lifelong consequences, such as being added to the sex offender registry. Beyond the legal penalties, the emotional and social toll can be immense. You may face public stigma, damaged relationships, and long-term career repercussions. A thorough understanding of the consequences will help you make informed decisions as you move through the legal process. Your attorney will work to minimize these impacts, but knowing the gravity of the situation ensures you stay focused on your defense. Stay calm and focused. Facing serious criminal charges can understandably be an emotionally overwhelming experience. However, it's crucial to remain calm and focused throughout the process. Anxiety and stress can cloud your judgment, leading to poor decisions that might harm your case. By staying composed, you allow yourself to think clearly and make informed decisions. Your attorney will be there to guide you, offering advice and support. Maintaining a positive and focused mindset ensures that you stay in control, enabling you to approach each step of the legal process with confidence and clarity, ultimately helping you achieve the best possible outcome. The steps you take immediately after being charged with a sexual offense will play a pivotal role in determining the outcome of your case. From seeking legal counsel to staying calm and focused, every decision counts. Remember, this is a time when expert guidance is essential. Don't go through it alone. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more crucial legal insights. Stay informed, stay empowered, and never underestimate the importance of your defense. This is your trusted resource for criminal defense advice. Like, subscribe, and text this to a friend to help spread the knowledge. See you in the next video.